Okay, so now that you'll be required to create some videos in the course, or you want to create your own videos for your own purpose using your smartphone or your phone. So I'm going to explain the different mechanisms and different alternatives what you do. So before that, I'll give you some hints of important points that you think you need to put in mind to remember. So first of all, before you start recording on a video, you make sure that your volume is maximum. Put it to the maximum level, volume of your recorder. Make it maximum. And then you make sure that your phone is in silent mode. Make sure that your phone is not accepting any call, because you may be recording in your phone, and then suddenly a phone call comes inside or a message comes inside. So you hear some noise coming from the phone. So what you do is that switch it off all your ringtones, or you could put in aeroplane mode. Put it in aeroplane mode to ensure that there is no network, because in this time you are just recording, no any other business that is happening. So putting in aeroplane mode will save you time, and you will not have any activities that will disturb you. So now, when you want to record, before starting to record, you make sure that the environment is clear. There is no noise that is coming from the side, so that when you're recording, it becomes easier for you. And if you are recording from the classroom, for instance, you make sure that your students have minimum noise, not too much noise, because we need to be able to hear what your students are doing. At the same time, noise should be low to the extent that it's not disturbing or moving from bringing distractions. But again, when you are recording, you have to make sure that phase one, when you are recording, it could be that you have someone to help you. You are a teacher in a classroom, recording your classroom session, and then you have someone, maybe your friend is recording the sessions for you while you are with your students in the groups. So what you do is, first of all, recording, you should not record your phone in this position. Don't record like this. Don't record like this. So all the time, make sure that your phone is in this way, in the landscape mode. It should be in the landscape mode. But then when you are recording, because it will be facing my side, you have to make sure that the recording buttons are on the top of your camera, this side, top of the camera. It should not be like this. It should be like this, because the video will be straight away horizontal, and then you could be able to cover larger spaces as well. That is the way. So just click on the button and then start recording. At the same time, you have to make sure that the recording buttons, these buttons are on the top side. That's when you are sure that your video will be clear and you will not need any rotating in different directions. So, and then again, when you are being assisted by your teacher, for instance, you have to make sure that your camera is stable, not shaking and moving from shaking. You make sure that you are stationary and fixed at one point. So like this, you can be able to get a good video of what is happening, and then taking all the sessions that are required. So that is case one. Case one is when you have someone to help you be able to record. When you don't have someone to help you, you could be seated on your table and then think of some support that could be able to help you. Like now here I have this support. So if for me I'm just recording, what I do is I have to click the button. I click the button here first, and then what I do is I set it in a way that I can be able to capture. It can be able to capture my session like this or like this, depending on it. So you find some support that can be able to capture anything that you want to do. So, but remember the phone should be in the upright position, and remember the buttons should be on top, on the top light part of the phone, so that you get a clear video and all that. So case three is when you have different options, like a tripod, a small tripod stand like this. So sometimes you will have this particular portion, and you will have a connector that you can be able to plug on this phone like this, which would be supporting, and then put in front of your table, and then be able to record the video. So these tools are also sold in markets. You can be able to get them if you need them, but this is another choice that you can have to have. So what you do is you press this on your table, and then you fix your camera on this, and then you can be able to record by yourself. So the other option is that you can have a tripod stand. So a big tripod stand like this, where you will actually fix your camera, your phone on a tripod like this, and then you'll be able to click on the phone and then start recording. So in all cases, remember the buttons have to come on top, and then you'll be able to record your video. So the moment you station your camera like this, so you are sure that you are sure that your videos will be stationary and there will be no movement, because it's fixed and you can keep on talking and discussing all that you want to do, in simple way. So thank you. Think of how you're going to be able to record your videos in the best way possible so that you get the best quality and best shot. Thank you.